watch it. No, nobody now say Bella and Jerry did a troll each other. Bella did a troll Jerry, before she box him down. Bella did a troll him, man. And him did a troll back her. You understand? So Jerry never box Bella. May we get that out of the way. Jerry never box Bella. Cause a whole heap of people come last night and attack me and talk about say the man box her. Lies. The man don't box Bella. Well, at that time the man never box her. Me know that to a fact. She never get no box. When you watch a video, you hear like one slap. You hear one slap sound. You see, because me no see it, me not say him slap her either. Cause me hear like one slap sound, but me no see it. But anyways, further in the video, me woulda come like in liquor for true, but I no box. But true, me no see it, me just a say, me no think him liquor. But Bella go hard pan the box still, cause me no think Bella did have to retaliate like that, cause earlier in the video, as told me say them did a troll each other, them always run joke in a them way there. So why you woulda get upset there so? Many a times when soon up on live, I wanna run more serious joke than that on live. You understand? Them run serious a joke than that on live. So me no understand why she woulda choose then and there to publicly embarrass Jerry. First thing, me hear say Jerry sick, me head sick, and then again me hear say him head go and come. So Bella, that worse a give the wrong. Cause if the man head go and come, that means say you have to know yourself, cause him no know what him do some of the time, Jerry no know what him say, him no know what him do some of the time. You understand? So Bella should have take note of them things and know say, you know what? Me a cut a certain little ramping with Jerry, cause me no want when he head take him, me and him a go fall out. She no wrong, sir. No man, she wrong, man. She wrong, cause first thing Jerry sick. Secondly, Jerry a 70-year-old. Bella a little girl for Jerry. Little girl, but you know why that happened to Jerry? You lie with dogs, you rise with fleas. Him as a big man should have know himself too. When you're a big somebody, you no go group up and you no go quabs up with little pitney brother. You see, social media make some things I go back way. Cause before social media, you know, find old people and young people are quabs up them way, yeah, bro. And that's why what reach him did have to reach him, bro. What reach him did have to reach him, bro, G. Old people fi have them age group, young people fi have them age group. She should have still a box him. No, bro. No, Alright, me I show you say, uno pan TikTok are wicked. Uno pan TikTok are wicked. Suppose when time Bella, you see if I did private, either Bella would have unalive Jerry or Jerry would have unalive Bella. Bro, it wrong, regardless, bro. Why Bella never slap him back on him hand? Me hear say upon her hand, him lick her. She could have lick him back on him hand, and suppose she did box him and the man dead. Suppose the man did dead. You know say a prison show would go, right? No, him not box her. Him lick her upon her hand. Him don't box her. Him not box her. I watch the full video, no box. She not get no box. She get a little lick on her hand and then he start disrespect her. When he start disrespect her and then he go say PU under her big, let me tell you, Jerry go tell Bella say under her big. And that make Jerry get the box. And not even say chewing lick Bella upon her hand. I chewing go style her the way there. That makes she feel away. She was fed up of him. Where if it to show the hit on hand, me want to see. Where video there for show say Jerry box. Me want to see Jerry. A video where show say Jerry box Bella. Bro, me not listen. This not look good and me not care. I don't care who want bex. This just don't look good, my friend, cause at the end of the day is a little old fever man. And I know say if it was a younger man, Bella probably would even do that, bro. May I tell you the truth, bro. A long time Bella want run with Jerry. So why she constantly a go around Jerry if she constantly if a long time she want run him with? Why she never allow out the man? Why she make it reach this till she after the on video now all over the place a box down one little 70-year-old man? You think that a go look good? No, bro. Let me tell you this. Sometime in a life, you have to pick the better road, bro. In order, hold on. Sometime in a life, you have to just pick the better road. In order for peace reign, pick the better road. Bella should have known better. I'm not biased, bro. Bella should have known better. First thing, Jerry Head no good. Secondly, Jerry Head go and come. Thirdly, Jerry a big old man. First, Bella should have known better cause Bella brain alright and everything. Bella see what I go on with Jerry long time. Bella can't come tell me say she not see Jerry I do some things long time where she should have just take care of herself. She should have just take care of herself. And that me feel. Me feel like Bella should have just give Jerry a break a long time ago. Cause me see other video where you clearly see say Jerry head not good. Jerry head not good. Jerry head go and come, bro. And you can't know when time he head a go or a come back. So what you do? Know what you do with Jerry. Know your limit with Jerry. Look up on this a picture here. Brother, I know everything people fi take and making a content, bro. I understand say everybody want make a food off a TikTok, but at the end of the day you have to remember say yo, you have to set look standards, bro. You can't everybody just a lower them standards from the other day, bro. Cause we all know the truth, we all know say Bella not gonna ever want Jerry. You understand? But because the two of them are make content together, bro, you see me? Cause look upon this here. Why you think Jerry feel like say him can deal with Bella any way? Because she apply herself to Jerry that way. She make Jerry feel the way there. She give Jerry that impression, bro. That is why Jerry a pass in place with her. You understand? Me tell you, you know, you lie with dogs, you rise with flea. You should did use Jerry for what him I say. For what him I say. And she want him stop talk. Yeah, exactly. No boundaries. She never set no boundaries. Cause even in this a picture, yeah, this is not content, you know. Even if you see if Bella have a boyfriend, if me did a Bella man and see this a picture, yeah, me no business ever content, me I go feel away. This is way too close, bro. This is Bella and Jerry, content creator on TikTok / influencer. You understand? This is way too close for me. If me there a Bella man and me see this, me would tell her say, yo, this not look good. Exploitation. Jerry was just trying to put on a show. Hey, me not lie, you know. A Jerry I star, you know, me not be biased and me know say enough people are go cuss and tell me say Jerry Bella have her clout long time. Clout no mean say you make money, bro. Look how much I know there, so me I make dollar. No, clout no mean say you make money, bro. G. Anybody you can get up a man and have 5,000 somebody upon your life, and if one of them not give you or top up your screen or support you, bro. G, it no make no sense, bro. So Jerry are the breadwinner. Jerry I get paid for going a music video. Jerry I get paid for do advertisement and endorsement deals, bro. Jerry are the breadwinner, bro. You understand? Right now, without Jerry, Bella thing I go stagnant. So you better them link up back and do back some content cause a Jerry funny. And let me tell you straight, Bella never make me laugh yet. All the time I'm watching my Jerry make me dead with laugh. Me not tell no lie. Bella never make me laugh yet. Always, anytime Jerry up me mouth, bro, at that time they me start laugh. I mean, I tell him, I have to laugh. And when time I try not to laugh, Jerry just always say something, bro, where you just have to laugh, bro. That's why I show a woman them say, you have to forgive Jerry, bro, because when you see say Jerry sick, bro, I mean, I show you, you have to forgive Jerry, bro, because him sick. We all see that Jerry head sick, bro. Bro, of course it's all about Vivette what you talk about. It's not really say all about Jerry. I two of them make content, but Jerry are the man of the match. You see, just like oh, you have Barcelona and you have Messi, where even though a big baller dey on the side same way and then contribute same way, but if Messi not dey on the field, he come like say I know Barca play. I same thing with Bella and Jerry. If Jerry no dey there with Bella, I come like it no make sense. Struggling TikTok era gonna finally have context now. First me forward across this your TikTok. Big up on yourself. Welcome everybody. Born forgiveness. What you mean by born forgiveness? I saw them a woman a bitter. Ladies, you not too bitter. Me nah lie. Jerry never do good to Bella. Jerry never do good to Bella. Oh now make it look like the Jerry is all evil. You know say some man a woman on the internet you too bitter. You too bitter bro. You bitter bro G. You never see Jerry do good for Bella. None at all. Me a ask you, me want me a say if you a hypocrite. You never see Jerry do good for Bella. So why we no can't forgive Jerry and tell Bella say forgive Jerry and apologize to the man and the two of them apologize to them one another, bro. Why we no can't speak justice, bro? Why we no can't speak like let's say no, speak righteous. You know, if you speak violence, bro. You know would I want to see Bella box Jerry 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Too much, hey, too much of bitter woman dey on TikTok, man. You too bitter. You boyfriend doing some things and baby father them doing some things and when you see people I go through little things in a them relationship. You convince them to destroy them relationship just because you not have a relationship. She fi come on TikTok, bro, and come apologize. You know, come go on IG if you go apologize. Go on TikTok and apologize, bro. You see me? Nothing wrong with apology, you know, bro. G. People make it look like say it a go kill you. If you're wrong, you know, bro. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Everybody can wrong. Nobody no bigger than apology, bro. With too much bitter woman there, bro. Bro, anybody where go ask me if Brittany go for take coke, she say it out of her mouth say she want some coke for buy. You know have to ask me cause as Zozo and Brittany apart and me and Brittany. And Brittany say she want that for buy. You not ask her, bro. She must know what she want if you do. Me a talk about Bella, and me a talk about Jerry, and me a talk about the union where them farm, bro. We did love it on TikTok, and let me speak some truth now. This is the only couple where me see manage to stay out of drama and actually excel. Meaning said everybody know TikTok these days. In order for you make money on TikTok, you have to sell your pride and dignity. You have to bring yourself to the lowest standard so that you can make people laugh so they can give you. This couple no do none of that. Them not bring down them one another, they not bring down other TikToker, they not do none of that and them excel. Them even do better than even the TikTokers them where they on the app every day. That's really and truly. Otherwise, from the bad word them one time, Jerry or Chippy bad word them. You know, you and your family probably can't even watch Jerry and Bella. It's like Tom and Jerry, you know, that sell them, you know. Jerry and Bella sound like Tom and Jerry to me, you know. Jerry is being used for financial gains. Yeah, pretty be, we know, man. We know say that not real. I will leave exploitation go on pan the app, you know. Alright, my friend. Do that and circle back. Jerry and Bella, you need to watch TV. Me not understand that. But me not lie. The box that Jerry get still boy box solid. Man get a solid box youth. For a woman, Bella pack a punch. Yo, Bella have strength in her hand, man. But one of the biggest disrespect where you have two disrespect where me feel like say for majority for most people them disrespect the unforgivable, bro. You see box down and spit in her face, bro. Yeah, bro. Them something that people not really like forgive people when time people box them, bro. May I tell you the truth, bro? Me used to have a friend where when he see me, he puff my chest and that get me ignorant, bro. Ignorant. When I say ignorant, ignorant. And me have to, one day me have to get serious and tell him say, bro, stop see me and do that, bro, G. You have some people them ramping in some way, bro, where me I wonder if they don't know say disrespect, bro. Cause me coulda never ramp with you and put my hand in your face. Me I tell you the truth, me no business of what kind of ramping, bro. You have some people use ramping for insult you, bro. Some people want insult you a long time and them use ramping for do it, bro. G. That's why me no play games. Me no run joke with people. Me no give people the time of day. If you think me fi, alright, you see if you verbally disrespect me, you can't physically disrespect me. Me I tell you the truth. If you get a chance to disrespect me verbally, that's as far as it goes. You won't get the chance to physically disrespect me. You understand? So that's why I see me now, me make sure me have boundaries. I'm confused. Did Jerry box Bella first? No, no, no. Jerry never box Bella. It sound like he slap her on her hand though. You hear one slap sound but I know boxing boxer. I lie them I tell. But anybody who say Jerry box Bella lies. Jerry say under Bella big. And when Jerry say under Bella big, Bella box him down. Bow in her face. Yes, Laurel. Yes, yes, he did. He did. He put him on her. Yes, and he also insulted her. Yes. Say under hey, let me tell you this. And let me warn every man out there. You don't think say you gonna tell a girl say under her big and you're not gonna get boxed down. And number one rule that do not tell a woman say under them big. You are woman with war for that, bro. And if you think a joke, make you and a girl mouth meet and you mention that out of your mouth and you see if your mouth no bust up and she go beat up herself and go station before you and you still a go get locked up. Don't tell no woman say under them big, bro. Let me tell you, me see woman get dark for them they sitting there. Bro, all if I truth, don't tell them, bro. May I tell you, the biggest the artist, let me tell you this. You probably can diss a woman, but the worst thing you can tell a woman say I say her something big. Ask any woman, them nah take it. You notice say as him say under her big he box connect. Ah, hey, yo. Hey, Bella is a pretty devil, you know.